Make a great choice today with the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.